If you are new to backwards skating or you're just working on your form, breaking down and practicing the motions is a good place to start. Start with your toes together, heels out, making a V with your skates. Bend your knees and push into your outside edges, sitting into your heels. You will naturally start to roll backwards as your feet roll apart and form a circle. Start to bring your heels together at the widest point while continuing to push into your outside edges to complete the circle. Step side to side as you transfer your weight into your down leg and push into your outside edges. Once again, bend your knees and sink back into your heels. Keep your chest up, but your shoulders slightly over your hips to maintain your balance in good form. Rolling backwards with your feet parallel, reach your outside skate in front of your inside skate. Sitting into your inside heel. Try not to twist your upper body and keep your hips forward. Look where you are going. Your feet should naturally begin to cross as you push into your heel. Once your feet meet and you begin to cross, reach to the inside with your inside foot and repeat. Exaggerate these movements by reaching out and grabbing with your whole foot, shifting your weight as you did when practicing stepping side to side in circles. The majority of your weight should be in your back or inside leg, and the harder you pull this leg back, the faster you will go. Start slow and controlled. Once you feel comfortable, you can try keeping all 8 wheels down and sticky skate through each movement.